Learn English with Om Nom.
Hello, Om Nom. How are you today? What's happening? Oh, a game! Learn 5 senses. Yay! Let's go. Wow, a candy. Oh, Om Nom, that's your favourite. I know, Om Nom, you love candies. Let's play. I taste a candy with my hand. No, not with my hand. With my tongue? Yes, well done. We do taste with our tongue. Om Nom's going to try now. I knew you couldn't resist. Oh, what a lovely day for a walk. And look, a rainbow. I see a rainbow with my nose. No, that's not right. I see a rainbow with my tongue. No, with my eyes. That's right. Well done. We see with our eyes. Yay! Ooh, Om Nom's making some artwork. Oh, but the glue's run out. And Om Nelle too. Oh, but listen, the bell is ringing. I hear the bell with my hand. No. I hear the bell with my tongue. No. How about with my ears? That's right. We hear with our ears. And Om Nelle heard the bell. Class finished. What a lovely picture. Ooh, some jelly. Some wobbly blue jelly. Om Nom, watch out. You love jelly, don't you, Om Nom? Smells good. I wonder what flavour it is. I touch a jelly with my nose. No. With my eyes? I don't touch with my eyes. I touch with my hand. Yay! Well done. Go on, Om Nom. I know you want to. Ooh, you've turned blue, just like the jelly. It's okay, Om Nom. You look kind of cool. Oh, you're in the bedroom now. Is that perfume? I bet that's lovely. I smell a perfume with my hand. No. With my tongue? Ooh, no. With my nose. That's right. I smell perfume with my nose. And it's lovely. Smells like butterflies and blossom. Well, that was fun, Om Nom. Bye. Hello, Om Nom. How are you doing? Today, we are going to find verbs. That's right. Woohoo! Now, what is a verb? It is a doing word, an action when you do something, like Om Nom's walking right now. Om Nom is walking around. Walking is the verb. Yay! Great job! Right, that was the warm-up. Now let's have a go. Ooh, what's this? A candy. Om Nom's favourite. Om Nom loves candy. Go on, Om Nom. I know you want to. And there it goes. What was Om Nom doing? Om Nom was eating a candy. That's right. Eating is the verb. And now Om Nom is jumping up and down on the couch. Can you find the verb? That's right. The verb is jumping. Now what is Om Nom doing? Looks like he's having lots of fun. Oh, I know. Om Nom is dancing. Which word is the verb? That's right, it's dancing. Om Nom got a bit dizzy there. Now what is he doing? Yes, that's right. Om Nom is riding a bicycle. Riding is the verb, the action, the doing word. What's Om Nom doing? Oh dear, he couldn't get the candy. He's sad. Is he crying? That's right. Crying is the verb in this sentence. And now it looks like he's fast asleep. Om Nom is sleeping. Sleeping is the verb here. Good night. Oh, hello, Om Nom. How are you today? Brilliant. Oh, today we're going to learn about opposites. For example, the opposite of day is night. Yes, that's right. Let's have a go. Right, we have a large elephant. What's the opposite of large? Is it small or is it cold? It's small. Well done. Small is the opposite of large. Ooh, are you thirsty? This is a full glass. What's the opposite of full? Is it sad or empty? It's empty. Yay! Well done. Empty is the opposite of full. Ooh, this is a very heavy weight. What's the opposite of heavy? Is it light or is it dirty? Light or dirty? It's light. Light is the opposite of heavy. Yay! Happy! What is the opposite of happy? Is it sad or cold? Sad! That's right. Sad is the opposite of happy. Yoo-hoo! I think Om Nom's very happy. What's this? A clean hand! What is the opposite of clean? Is it dirty or cold? It's dirty! Well done! Nice clean hands, Om Nom. This fire is hot. Is cold the opposite of hot? Or is light the opposite of hot? It's cold. That's right. If I'm not hot, then I must be cold. Bye, Om Nom. That was fun. Hello, Om Nom. Oh, watch out. Look, it's a game. Would you like to play? You would? Brilliant. It's called Find the Odd One Out. Yay! We're going to start with the top row of items. Can you spot which one is the odd one out? Let's have a look and see what we have. First of all, we have an eggplant. Then we have a carrot, a green pepper, and a bunch of grapes. Which one is odd? That's right. It is the bunch of grapes because that is a fruit and the other three are vegetables. Yay! Time for the second row. What do we have here then? We have cheese, a pear, an orange, and an apple. Yes, the cheese is the odd one out because it's not a fruit. Well done, Om Nom. Let's go again. Here we have a strawberry, beetroot, turnip, and green pepper. Yes, the strawberry is the odd one out. But can you tell me why? That's right, the strawberry is a fruit and the other three items are vegetables. Yay! Last but not least, let's go for the bottom row. Okay, we have a bunch of grapes, an apple, a donut, and an orange. Yes, the donut is the odd one out because it's a yummy naughty dessert and not a fruit. Yay! Om Nom's hungry after looking at all that food. Bye! Ooh, what's in the box? My, it's moving. Aha! It's Om Nom. Hi, Om Nom. Ooh, what's this? An empty box? Ooh, alphabets. Wonderful. Watch out, Om Nom. Oh, I wonder what this is. L-P-A-E-P. Can you help Om Nom guess the word, kids? That looks like an apple. It is an apple. Let's spell A-P-P-L-E. apple! Yay! Brilliant! Yummy, yummy! That looks delicious, Om Nom. Ooh, more alphabets! Yay! Which word are we going to get? Watch out! H-P-A-Y-P. Can you help Om Nom figure this one out? Looks like a smiley face. Oh, it's happy! H-A-P-P-Y. Happy! Yay! Om Nom's very happy jumping on the sofa. Let's go again. What does this spell? Let's help Om Nom, shall we? Ooh, that looks like a candy. C-A-N-D-Y. Candy! Om Nom's favourite. Om Nom loves candy, don't you, Om Nom? Again. Yes, don't bang into the box, though. What is this? Let's help Om Nom out. A sun! S-U-N. Great spelling, kids. Well done. Yay! Look, Om Nom's super happy now. Great job. Where are you going, Om Nom? Om Nom, there's some more alphabets. Are they going to come out again? Yep, here they come. Oh, what does that spell? That's a lot of letters. Oh, look, it's Om Nelle. O-M-N-E-L-L-E. Om Nelle. Woohoo! Hello, Om Nelle. Again. Watch out. I think I know this one. What do you think, kids? It's Om Nom! O-M spells Om. N-O-M spells Nom. Om Nom! It's you, Om Nom. Brilliant! Hello, Om Nom. Om Nom loves to make new friends. Let's make new friends just like Om Nom. Let's see how he does it. Ooh, he's covering himself in leaves and making himself into a ball. Look, he's being dropped into the nest. A candy! Oh, what a surprise. And he's made a new friend. Bye, friend. Ooh, and now where is he? In a tunnel? Some new friends may be shy. But you need to be brave to show them how to be brave too. That's right, Om Nom. You can show your shy friend to be brave just like you. Excellent. Ooh, Om Nom spotted a candy. Uh-oh, he's got himself in a little bit of a pickle. But that's okay because some new friends want to help. That's right, Om Nom. You've made another new friend. It's good to help each other, Om Nom. Don't you think? You can help your friend too. That's right. Friends really like it when you trust them. Trust is really important. Oh, look! Om Nom has spotted another candy! And this time it's on a lily pad. Hop, 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 hop along. You know, sometimes it's actually your new friends that need help, not you. For example, this one, stuck under a rock. It's good to help your friends. That's right, Om Nom. You can take the rock away. Lift it up. Brilliant! Oh, your friend is so relieved. And isn't it great to keep making so many new friends? Look, they're helping you now. You got your candy and made a new friend. Om Nom likes all his new friends and it's so much fun to make new friends. Bye-bye.
subscribe. Click to watch more.